All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Looking at this wheel, you do have rash right here. You have rash there. You have a chip here. These tires are from 2021. They have good tread left. Looking at the paint here. Little chip there, chip here, a couple small ones there. And then on the very edge, you can see some gashes. Some scratches here. You have some chips across that pillar. Looking at the side mirror, a few little surface scuffs, a few small rock chips. You're gonna have some dimples in the paint here. A couple chips. Couple rock chips there. Little scuffs. You have a little scratch right here. It's very faint. Some more dimples in the paint. Looking at that wheel, you have some curb rash. The rest of the edge looks good. A few chips here and there. Little scuffs. Looking at the roof, overall in great condition. Headlights are nice and clear. Now you're going to have rock impacts and chips on this front end. You do have some damage right there. You see some gashes and some chips. Typical rock impacts kind of peppered throughout. A couple little surface scuffs. You're going to see some dimples along the edge right here. Some texture, little chips, got some larger ones up there. And you're gonna see chips throughout this front end. Plastic here looks good. You can see the clear coat is failing along that edge there. It's kind of peeling. You have a lot of texture right here. Typical rock impacts. You can see the trash in the paint here. See those dimples all along. Overall, that fender looks good. You have curb rash on this wheel. Just on that little section. This mirror is sun damaged. It is fading, so the clarity is kind of gone. There's a little texture to it now. It's not as vibrant as the paint here. That looks good. Couple little scuffs on the plastic. Upper section looks nice. Making our way down that pillar, looks good. A few chips. Looking at that section, looks good. Here on that wheel, that's in good condition. Scanning that deck lid every once in a while. There's some dimples in the paint. Got some right here. So you can see that. Got the PPF on the bumper edge there protecting it. That lower section looks nice. Got the dimples right here on that bumper edge. You're going to see that all the way across there. The rest of that looks good. Looking at the interior, that upper section looks amazing. Little scuffs and a little bit of wear on the handle. Buttons are clean. Lower section looks good. You have some markings right here. Got the Alcantara inserts. Typical wrinkles right here. You do have a lot of wear on the edge on that bolster and some scratches. Here on the steering wheel, kind of chewed up on the bottom side. Little chunks kind of scratched out. Little chunks kind of missing here. That looks good. Upper side of the dash over here is clean. The screen looks nice. Those buttons look good. The rest of that looks nice. Here on the front right door panel, upper section looks good. Handle's nice and clean. Buttons look amazing. Got a little stain of some sort here. That trim looks good. Floor mats look nice. That bolster's perfect. A little bit of wear right there. You got a scratch here. Upper section looks nice though. That side of the console looks good. All of that's nice. And looking back here, overall in great condition. Here in the trunk, you got the Subaru liner. All of that looks good. All right, checking out the engine bay. It's nice and clean. All of this looks really good. Just gonna scan through some of this. You do have some rips there on the liner. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. The car has 42,118 miles on it. It is a 6-speed manual. Super fun car to drive. Easy to shift. Really, really nice car. AC is super cold. Suspension feels good. Gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. Feels solid. That little noise you heard was the license plate that I have in the back. Shifts perfect. Really no complaints with the drivability of the car. Very nice. Car shifts nice and smooth. No complaints. Really fun to drive.